I'm back in Gin Madiscarding Mama. Gagawa tayong egg, guys. Egg omelette. Ang kal dito sa Norway. Ano lang natin ito? Scramble lang. And this is it. And then mayroon tayong unting, lagyan natin, i-mix natin, kaunting milk. Ganyan dito siya. Eat this one with smoked salmon. Yan. And then, ano lang natin ito. Scramble. Nilagyan at mayroon tayong kaunting butter. I-ano natin ito? Gawin natin ito in low temperature. Ito lang siya, guys. And then halo-halo, ganun lang. In medium temperature, not so high. Ganyan lang, guys. Ikakain na tayo itong with salmon locks. Ano yun? So, smoked salmon. That is for breakfast today for my family. Ganun lang siya. Ganun mo lang yan ganyan. O, diba? Ganyan pag magluto tayo. Wait. Hindi siya mag-ano. Ganyan lang. I-mix mo lang siya. Ganyan. Hanggang siyang medyo mag-dry. So, eat with this salmon. Yes. Ito na siya, guys. Nag-dry na siya. This is done. This called this here is egg omelette. Oh, diba? Oh, it's done. So, ang next natin gawin, so naluto na yung egg natin. So, ang next natin gawin, mayroon tayong bacon. Yes. Ano naman tayo ng bacon, guys? Ano lang natin ito. Ang hirap. What happened? It's next natin gawin, bake tayo ng bread. Meron tayong bread ito. This is, ano siya, sandwich bread. Bake lang natin ito in 212 minutes. Tingnan natin itong info. For bake with 210 and 12 minutes. So, i-bake natin ito, guys. Yan. Then my bacon. So next natin gawin, gagawa tayong panikake, guys. Meron tayong flour, egg, and i-mix lang natin sa milk. Yan, ganun lang, guys. Pwede itong panikake with bacon. Yan. Anuhin na natin yan. And then, i-ano natin dito. Yan. I-flat lang natin yan, guys. Yan. Yeah, that is it. And then, gamit tayo ng ano. So, ito yung ano natin. Simple lang, guys. So, diba? Gawit luto tayo ng ano. That is it. This is Monday breakfast. Nag-bake ako ng ano bread. And then, mayroon tayong panikake. Of course, bacon. And egg omelette. Mayroon salmon locks tayo as ano ito, guys, yung smoked salmon locks. Eat with the egg, and this is it is for breakfast for family today, guys. So that is for breakfast for today. So let's eat tayo na, guys. Kumain na ako, yung mga anak ko na lang tulog pa, and then we're going to wake up. Hi, good morning to everyone. Prokos bread, egg omelette, and salmon, smoked salmon. Oh, yummy! Hi, Highness. Good morning. Merry Christmas to everyone. Evening, guys. That is for dinner for today. Yeah. So, that is yummy, potato. Middag, dinner time.
Bacon.
So dinner time. Bye. Paki-subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.